Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all of everyone. Today, my group and I will demo our projects of assignment 2 microprocessor. Okay, in this question, we are required to design and write a program which will implement the sequence of our UTM matrix cards number upon pressing push button and display them on a 7-segment display. But in this video, we will show you demonstrations on a VR simulator. We have 4 members in the groups. I am the first member, ZULHILMI. The second one is ALIF. The third one is AMIRUL, and the fourth one is HAREEZ. Okay. We in our coding, we will have 4 push buttons as switch 0 to switch 3 that will represent the matrix number of each of group members. Our delay is 1 second, and then we will have interrupts, which there are 2 interrupt INT push buttons, INT0 and INT1. Okay, when we press INT0, the LEDs will flashing 5 times, on off, on off, on off, on off, on off, with delay of each flash is 500 milliseconds, and then it will resume back to the where the process is stopped before the interruption. Okay, so the second interrupt is INT1. LED will start moving from LED1 to LED8 and comes back to LED1s, and then it will resume where it stopped. Okay, the delay for each LED movement are also 500 milliseconds. Okay, this is our coding. Okay, this one is to display our my matrix number. The second one is for second member. This for third, AMIRUL, and this for normal matrix for HAREEZ. Okay, then this one is coding for interrupt. In this one, INT0 and INT1. I will show we build solutions to make sure it succeeds. Okay. Next, I will show our demonstration of our simulations using Proteus X. Okay, this is my SW0. We display my number matrix on the 7-segment display. So I press SW0 A1 9 E 0 1 8 0. Okay, the delay for each is 1 second. Okay, so it will repeat my number matrix 1A 19 EE 018 0180. Then we will push INT0 to see the first interrupt. Okay, you can see it's flashing. The 7-segment display will stop, and LED will flashing 5 times. Then it will resume back. Next, we see for the second interrupt, the INT1. Okay, the LED will go from 1 to the 10, then goes back to 1. Then our LED 7-segment display will resume its operation. That's all. Thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ALIF bin RISAM. Right now, I will present you how the system works. So, first, you must press the switch button, which it will display my metric number, which is A19EE0078. And then, when I switch, I press the interrupt button, it will blink 5 times, and then it will resume my metric number. After that, if I press another interrupt button, it will light up from 1 to 8, and it will light up backward. After that, it will resume showing my metric number.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AMIRUL bin KAMAL, and I will present how the simulation works for my metric cards. First, if we press the switch, the LED will the BCD will be displaying my metric card number, which is A19EE0081. Then, if we press the interrupt button, the LED will blink up for 5 times, and the display will continue displaying my matrix number. Then after we press another interrupt button, the LED will blink one by one from 1 to 8 and blink backwards. And then the display will continue displaying my matrix number.
Hi, my name is Muhammad HAREEZ bin WAHID, and my matrix number is A19E0100. And right now I'm going to present to you if we press switch 4, my matrix number will display it in the 7th segment. A19EE0100, and the delay for each blink is 1 second. And then I'm going to show you if we press interrupt button, the LED will blink for 5 times, and then it will resume to display my matrix number. And then if we press the int1 button, the LED will light up 1 to 8, and it will light up backwards, and then it will resume my matrix number.